Hello, my August Planner Society kit has arrived. So here it is here, and I'm loving the colour palette. Very nice. I'm just going to pull everything out of the bag. And here we have everything. So the first thing I'm going to look at is this gorgeous pen. So it's rose gold on the end, the pen clip, and in the centre, and on this end. It's a nice weight. It's a gel pen. I'm sure that that will be a black gel pen. That's pretty. Very pretty. The next thing I see here is the stamp. So the stamp is a mug, and then you have different words that you can put on the mug, and also there are 7 hearts here, so they can be used as a tracker. The next thing are these pen loops. So this is elastic and pen clips. And what you can do is cut the elastic to fit. You glue it on the clip here and here, and you have a loop around it which you can slide your pen through the loop to attach in your planner wherever you like. And these are obviously coordinated with the kit. They're really pretty. All nice. Here's sticky notes with rose gold foiling. Super cute. There are these clips. So these are little dangle clips with a bow on them. So because of the bow, I don't think I'd use them to dangle from the bottom. I think I'd definitely have them out of the top of a planner, or maybe even out of the side of a planner. But they're a rose gold clip, and there's 2 of those in the beautiful sage and a lovely pale pink. This bag is adorable. I love this bag. So this will have the stickers in it. Stickers have foiling on them. I'll just move this out of the way. These mugs here say home, blessed and be kind, so they match the stamp. And these ones are trackers with the 7 little hearts you can fill in during the week, 1 heart for each day. And then we have quotes which are foiled. So there's 4 sheets of stickers. The soft colours are just really pretty. So then there are tabs. This also is a rose gold on the sticker with the tab. It's got that really cute backing on it. So as per usual, there are 4 sticker sheets, but these ones are in rose gold. unlike previously, these tabs are foiled. They've got the foil box around the little white bit there, and then you stick this foiled bit on there. They'll look amazing. They'll look really pretty. So these are the tabs. Okay, only 8 tabs this month. Normally there are 12 tabs, but this month there's only 8, but they are extra special with the foiling on them. The soft colours are just beautiful. So they're the tabs. Then there are die cuts. There's the mug again. I like that. There's a hello, be kind. Okay, so they're the die cuts in this month's kit. Just gorgeous colour palette, really pretty. And these are the tags. So these are also rose gold foiled. So 4 tags, and they're really cute actually in the shape of a gift tag. They look really cute. Okay, the next thing are these pockets. So there's a large pink pocket with this lovely cut edge, and then it goes this way, and there the smaller white pocket which lifts up. It's actually sparkly, and this one lifts up, and you can, for example, have stickers in there. And the smaller mustard coloured pocket, which is a good size for the stickers. Oh, there we go. Seems the stickers are a little bit taller than the pocket, but that's like that. There's a washi tape, which is the pattern of the bag, which was this pattern here, which is the main pattern on the bag. Nice floral pattern. There are these rose gold puffy stickers. These are nice. And one tip that I saw on Facebook was to use a piece of washi to pick up the entire sticker that you want. For example, if you wanted all the 3 bows together, use a piece of washi to pick them up and apply them. That way you don't need to apply each little piece by piece. You can put them on as a set. So the only thing remaining is the paper. So I'll just open that. Okay, so this is the paper for the August kit. So we've got this floral, and on the reverse this pattern, which is a lovely soft colour. this, which probably is one of my favourites. And on the reverse, oh, that's super pretty too. This is lovely. The sage colour is gorgeous. The sage, and on the back of that, the little dots. Then there is an acetate, which is a rose gold spotty acetate. And vellum. This gorgeous print is in vellum, as is this one, but with gold foil, rose gold foil. Totally stunning. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So that is the August kit for this month. So lots of goodies, lovely soft colours, very pretty. Here we have everything. So that's it. I love it. The only thing I'm a little bit unsure about is this pocket. It's a bit standout bright for me, but I do see that the colour is in the main floral here. But overall, I love the August kit. Really nice. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.